Japan is one of those countries that feels magical from the moment you step out of the airport. But for first-time travelers, the fast-paced stations, long airport transfers, cultural rules, and endless transport options can feel a little overwhelming. That's why in this video, you'll discover 15 essential tips that will make your very first trip to Japan smooth, stress-free, and unforgettable. Just follow along as you land in Narita, explore Tokyo, ride the Shinkansen, and experience Japan the way most first-timers do. Let's get started. Number 1. Use Narita Airport's luggage delivery services. The moment you land in Japan, you'll notice people traveling light. And that's because almost every traveler uses Japan's luggage delivery service. Right inside Narita Airport, you'll find counters offering same-day or next-day delivery to your hotel, hostel, or even Airbnb. It's reliable, safe, and surprisingly affordable. All you do is write the address of your accommodation, hand over your heavy bags, and walk out completely stress-free. No struggling with suitcases on the train, no dragging them through Tokyo Station, no exhaustion. For smaller hotels and ryokan, it's smart to inform them in advance so they know to expect your luggage. But overall, this is the simplest way to start your Japan trip on the right foot. Number 2. Buy a data SIM or pocket Wi-Fi before leaving the airport. Japan is incredibly connected, but you'll still need reliable internet to use maps, train apps, translation tools, and restaurant searches. The best time to sort this out is right at the airport. Inside Narita, you'll find several shops offering local data SIM cards, portable Wi-Fi routers perfect for families or groups, pre-booked devices you can collect on arrival. You can reserve one online and pick it up instantly or buy it on the spot. Once you activate your SIM or turn on your pocket Wi-Fi, you're ready to navigate Japan like a local. Number 3. Get an IC card immediately. One of the first and most important things you should do in Japan is buy an IC card, like Suica, Pasmo, or ICOCA. These cards make train travel unbelievably easy. Instead of buying a ticket every time, you simply tap in, tap out, and the correct fare is deducted automatically. IC cards also work at convenience stores, vending machines, some restaurants, lockers, and even certain attractions. You can buy one directly at Narita Airport's train station using English language machines. At the end of your trip, return the card for a small refund. With an IC card in your wallet, you'll avoid the long queues and the confusion of buying individual paper tickets. Number 4. Collect your rail pass at Narita Airport. If you bought a Japan Rail Pass or regional JR Pass before flying to Japan, Narita Airport is the first place where you can activate it. Just head to the JR East Travel Service Center located below Terminal 1 or Terminal 2. Rail passes are extremely useful if you plan on riding the Shinkansen multiple times or traveling long distances. They can save you a lot of money and give you the freedom to hop around the country with ease. Make sure you check the activation start date, whether seat reservations are included, the regions your pass covers. Once activated, your rail adventure begins. Number 5. Choose the best way to travel from Narita Airport to Tokyo. Narita Airport is far from central Tokyo, so picking the right transport can save time and money. Here are the best options. Fastest, JR Narita Express straight to Tokyo Station. Kaisei Skyliner, fast connection to Ueno and Nippuri. Cheaper train options. Kaisei Limited Express, local commuter trains. Bus options, airport limousine bus, comfortable and stops at major hotels. Budget-friendly shuttle buses. Taxi. Avoid unless necessary. It's the most expensive option by far. If your hotel is near Tokyo Station, NEX is perfect. If you're staying in Inyo or Asakusa, the Skyliner makes life easier. Pick the route that matches your location and budget. Number 6. Choose the right accommodation in Tokyo. Tokyo has every type of accommodation you can imagine, but choosing the right one can make your first visit much smoother. You'll find budget capsule hotels, clean and modern business hotels, cozy hostels, traditional ryokan, internet cafe overnight rooms, luxury hotels. If you want a unique first-time experience, try staying at a capsule hotel for a night or book a simple traditional ryokan for a more cultural stay. For convenience, choose areas with great train connections like Shinjuku, Tokyo Station, Ueno, Shibuya, Asakusa. A well-located hotel will save you hours of travel time. Number 7. Buy Shinkansen tickets using the SmartX app. To avoid long queues at ticket counters and machines, use the SmartX app, a simple English language platform for booking Shinkansen tickets. Here's how to use it. Buy an IC card. Install the SmartX app. Add your credit card. Enter your IC card number. Reserve your train. Tap your IC card at the Shinkansen gates and collect your ticket. It's fast, convenient, and lets you choose reserved or non-reserved seats, including green car luxury seats. This system works on the Tokaido Sanyo Shinkansen between Tokyo and Hakata. If you want a seat with a great view, book early. Number 8. Navigating Tokyo Station without stress. Tokyo Station is huge, and even locals sometimes get lost. As a first-time visitor, follow these simple steps. Look for signs pointing to the Tokaido Shinkansen. Enter through the correct Shinkansen gate. Check the departure board for your train number and platform. Line up at your carriage number markings on the floor. If you don't have a ticket, buy one before entering the Shinkansen gates. Machines and ticket offices are easy to find. Tokyo Station is crowded, but it's well organized. Just follow the signage calmly and you'll be fine. Number 9. Try an Ekiben before boarding the Shinkansen. One of the best parts of train travel in Japan is the Ekiben, beautifully arranged boxed meals that represent local flavors. Ekiben shops inside Tokyo Station offer sushi bento, meat bento, vegetarian options, seasonal specialties, regional dishes. Each box is neatly packed and perfect to enjoy during your bullet train ride. For many travelers, trying Ekiben becomes one of the most memorable experiences of their entire trip. Number 10. Store your luggage properly on the Shinkansen. The Shinkansen is built with travelers in mind, so luggage storage is surprisingly easy. You can store backpacks and smaller bags in overhead racks, medium-sized suitcases behind the last row of seats. Checked reservation, required spaces for very large luggage on certain trains. This system ensures that even with heavy bags, you can enjoy a comfortable journey across Japan. Number 11. Don't be afraid to use the train and Shinkansen toilets. Japan takes hygiene seriously. You'll notice this everywhere, especially in public restrooms. Train station toilets and Shinkansen bathrooms are clean, free, and regularly maintained. On the Shinkansen, restrooms are located between cars, easy to find, and kept spotless. If you didn't get a chance to freshen up before boarding, don't worry. Japan has you covered. Number 12. Make use of the Shinkansen amenities. The Shinkansen isn't just fast, it's incredibly comfortable. You'll find power outlets for charging your devices, comfortable reclining seats, tray tables, wide legroom, food carts selling snacks, drinks, tea, coffee, and even beer. Whether you're traveling from Tokyo to Kyoto or all the way to Osaka, the Shinkansen experience is one of the highlights of any Japan trip. Number 13. Grab the best view of Mount Fuji from the train. One of the most iconic moments of traveling in Japan is spotting Mount Fuji from your Shinkansen window. If the weather is clear, the side-facing Fuji seat offers the best view. About 45 minutes after leaving Tokyo, keep your eyes open. Fuji will appear on the right side like a perfect postcard moment. If you can't sit on the Fuji side, stand between the cars and look out the window during the Fuji stretch. Number 14. Use luggage storage services when you arrive at your destination. When you reach Kyoto, Osaka, or any major city, you'll find plenty of options to store your luggage if your hotel check-in is later in the day. You can use coin lockers, luggage counters inside stations, same-day luggage delivery to your hotel. This allows you to start exploring immediately without dragging your bags around. Number 15. Know how to withdraw your money in Japan. You'll likely want both cash and card for your trip. While Japan is becoming more cashless, many places, especially small restaurants or rural towns, still prefer cash. Here's the easiest way to access your money. Use ATMs inside 7-Eleven stores. Use ATMs inside Japan post offices. Use international-friendly ATMs at major stations. These machines almost always accept foreign debit and credit cards. airport exchange counters are convenient, but exchange rates may be higher. Get only what you need immediately and withdraw more later from convenience store ATMs. These 15 tips will help you travel across Japan with confidence. From the moment you land at Narita Airport to the moment you board the Shinkansen and explore cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, Japan is incredibly organized, welcoming, and safe. Once you understand how the systems work, traveling becomes effortless and enjoyable. If you're planning your first ever Japan trip, these tips will make everything smoother, simpler, and way more fun. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Japan travel guides, itineraries, and insider tips. Happy travels, and welcome to Japan.